Alrighty, we are about to fully test our brand new Peak Prime 2.0 Green Mountain Grill. We're gonna make ribs. We have the rib rack. We'll show you that in just a minute, but basic ribs. We got a little bit of mustard binder here, and we're using our favorite Kansas City rub. We're gonna get these on the grill for about 2 to 2.5 hours at 275.
Yep.
Alrighty, we got the grill at 275 here. We just got our ribs on, and with this new grill, we can actually see them right through here. But I'm gonna lift this up because I want you to see the brand new rib rack. Look at that, holds these ribs nicely. We got a little hanger there, but we got a temp probe in each one. That is one of the ups of this grill too, is two temp probes. We're gonna cook for about 2.5 hours, and we have the secret ingredient for the wrap.
And I'm not telling you.
And you're not telling me. I know what it is, but we're not telling you. All right, these have been on for about 2.5 hours. We got a little bit of smoke on them, a little bit of crisp. You can see them. We've been spritzing them with apple juice about every half hour. And we put some beans on, let the drippings go into the beans. So these are looking pretty good. It's about time to wrap them though. So I'm gonna take them inside of wrapping. So I'm gonna take this temp probe out. We're about 150, 160 on these. They're looking pretty good. All right, these guys look amazing. This is the difference between buying meat in the store and a good butcher. Look at how thin this one is. Look at how thick this is. So it does make a difference how these cook. This is really thick, thin, makes a difference. So our secret ingredient, Tim, move
something new, something different.
All right, so here's our secret ingredient. I'm gonna give you that little spatula.
Apple pie filling.
That's been Vitamixed to make it more of a puree.
We don't want solid apples in here. We just want all the flavors to mesh in this.
It's kind of like
we're gonna grill it meat side down.
Pork chops and apple sauce.
It always goes together.
We're gonna put the meat side down.
We're gonna wrap, throw them on the grill. See you shortly in about another 2 hours.
2 hours? I'm gonna need another drink.
All right, Tim, 4.5 hours total. We got the ribs, they're done. We got the beans that we let drip, all the drippings into the beans. And then we threw a couple shrimp on there just for funsies. And we...
should be hot lava.
These are definitely napalm hot right here. Actually, you probably see all the...
I'll let you burn your tongue first.
Here. I can't even say it.
Yeah, you can. Holy cow. And edit.
Those are amazing though. Taste them.
I will.
Wow.
What'd you put in them?
We took a regular Bush's beans, cut up a whole onion, diced it up, cut up a whole red pepper, cut up a whole yellow pepper, put a little mesquite, put a little Mississippi BBQ.
You don't want to use that?
A little mustard, a little ketchup.
My buddy started that company, and I sold him groceries.
Anyways, we doctored up those. We cooked them, smoked them, about 2.5, 3 hours on those beans.
Yep.
They're pretty good. I don't know if we talked about the secret ingredient yet, but tell us about it, Tim. What was it?
We just took apple pie filling, pureed it, and put it in here at the very end for 2 hours.
Did you say
And,
puree?
Puree.
Curie, isn't that a song?
Anyways, let's see how this tastes. It should be a little spicy sweet. Oh, do they got the twang?
So we got these ribs all unwrapped. These have been on the grill for about 4.5 total. Tim?
Maybe 5.
Ooh. Actually, that looks pretty done to me. Oh yeah.
It's beautiful.
We gotta hurry. I gotta go to church.
Tim's got to get to church. So we're gonna taste this with the
only you with our
this
secret ingredient, which was
apple
pie filling in the end.
And right now it's napalm hot apple. All right, let's give this a taste.
This is good.
It's pretty good. The apple gave it a nice little sweet. That's pretty good.
That's really good.
That's good. All right, we're gonna polish these off. Everything turned out great. We're liking the new grill. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and Tim?
My God, is that hot?
Hey, when you go to church, could you pray for me?
Oh, hell yeah. Don't sit next to me, could be lightning.